Hello guys, welcome to Help for Good eLearning. My name is Prashanja and I'm your mentor. So here we are going to learn a very important thing, that is how to build a project. And I have taken a project like bank system project. Okay, so we are going to learn a lot of things here. So kindly have our attention and watch this video till the end. Okay, so I'll show you that what models we are going to develop and how we are going to develop. Okay, so let's have an overview about the project, that what we are going to develop exactly. There are multiple models that we are going to cover in the project. Okay, that means like a saving account module, current account module, customer module, and also in future we are going to develop a loan module. So there are multiple models that we are going to cover here. Second, this project is completely based on your Python programming. That means apart from Python, I'm not going to use any other language. So in Python we are going to implement a different concepts here. Okay, so third point, project is based on the object-oriented programming design concept. It is very highly recommended that you guys have to also follow the object-oriented concept. Because why? When you enter in the when you give any interview, in any interview, they will ask you the question on object-oriented design concept. And it is the best that if you could able to implement this concept in a project, then you are very well and able to explain these concepts in interview also. So this is directly proportionate to that. Okay, then fourth point, here we will work module to module by implementing the package concept. That means I'm not going to create this project in a single Python file so that you will get a lot of troubles while watching and while implementing. I will create this project as a package. Package, that means I'm going to create a package, or inside a package, I'll create a different module, like separate module for customer, separate module for saving account, separate module for current account, and also like that. Okay, so and this will help you to understand the package concept, the module concept, the importing techniques, and how to write only specific code in the specific model. Okay, and that will easy to read, easy to understandable, and also it will maintain the robustness. Okay, the second last point, our objective is to design a virtual concept for the Python beginners. See, my objective is here very clear, that if you have done a Python programming, that means you have learned the concept, you just come on the stage where you are saying that you have done some programming in Python, and right now you are looking to create a project because you are looking to implement all the concept which you have learned, that all the concept you are looking to implement while the doing the project in a project. So this is the best overview concept, guys, for all of you guys, those who are in the beginner level, and also they have done some projects, to take us some idea that how to build the project. Okay, so it's my suggestion, while watching this video, also write the code. Okay, then you will get a project playlist and we will have a series of project development videos. So as already I have told you guys, that I'm not going to create a single page project. I will create a package. We will have a number of series of videos, and in series of videos you will get something new to implement in your project. And my recommendation, while watching this video, kindly go and do the project also. Okay, so that you are able to understand the concept and the complexity, and also you will get some new ideas, so you can also you can also integrate your separate module while developing this project. For right now, guys, this is just about the project. In the next video, or in the next lecture, we are going to see that how to create a package, how to create a multiple models, and how to start with the customer model. Customer will be our first model. For right now, guys, thank you very much.